everyone, and welcome back. Welcome to Garage Peacekeeper TV. This is your friend Gunso on Facebook, and welcome to my channel. How they call Red Texas in Thailand. Now, before I will tell you, my content is about who's a reliable or trusted and reliable breeder that you can count to in Thailand. Well, we will start with some or breeder and some group that I can tell you that I can rely over and trust them on when it comes to person to sell some fish, especially import from your country, from across the sea, especially in America, from Philippines or Indonesia and even China. Let's start famous now in Facebook and YouTube or in any social media, even in the TikTok. It's Song Tao Pun Red Texas. Song Tao Pun Red Texas. This is my first recommendation for you. You can rely. It's a reliable person that you can trust about importing and exporting Red Texas from the United States, China, or any part of the world, Philippines and Vietnam. This is from Thailand. So in Gold Red Ruby, which is one of the person that I trusted before. Maybe a couple of times I import some good fishes like Mickey. Mickey is one of our first Red Texas on this garage, and also I import some like 10 pieces or 12 pieces, I believe so. Before that pandemic in 2019, I import like 12 pieces of fry from Gold Red Ruby. So I can say that he's trusted and reliable person when it comes to Super Red Texas if you want to import. Now we have also Palm Texas. Now Palm Texas, this guy have a different style of kind of strain. Now he invented this strain which is GT75. GT75 is very famous in America. Now GT75, you can see the thick pearl of the Red Texas in the whole of the body. And I believe he's one of the guys who invented this sunken eyes, which is I mentioned in my first vlog in Super Red Texas content number 1. The sunken eye is like a small eyes that you can see, and the faces is like, they call it sweet face, and it's almost swelling. The whole face of the Red Texas is almost swelling, but you get small eyes, and it's a deep eye. These two eyes have a deep eye and a small eye. This is how they call it sunken eyes. Now, from Texas, I believe he's the one who invented this jeans that is truly amazing. So one of a reliable person that you can count on and well-trusted breeder is Palm Texas from Thailand. And also Basit Insawan, we have God of SRT, Super Rare. I believe Chupas Clinton is also one of their member, which is the Sham Crossbreed. Their group, they call it Sham Crossbreed in Thailand. They have a huge farm. Well, most of them, they have a huge farm in Thailand when it comes to the Red Texas, in Gold Red Ruby, or this Song Tao Pun Red Texas. They have a big and huge farm on Thailand, because if you're gonna do Red Texas, Super Red Texas, you need to have like a lot of tanks. As I mentioned for you in the beginning of my contents, like 4 years ago, if you want to check it out and check what I mentioned about all the red Texans and how you you breed them and until they grew, until you cull them, everything is there in some of my first blog or videos in my channel. Now, the last one I can mention for you is 9 Seri. I believe 9 Seri. Now 9 Seri, we have a specific style. If you want Thai GT or Thai Green Texas, you can count on this guy. 9 Seri crossbreed. 9 Seri crossbreed. His specialty is Thai Green Texas. It's amazing pearls all over the body, and even he have this kind of bloodline which is short body and it has a cock on it. So if you prefer or if you want to do your own blood, you need to think about it. If you're gonna get some reliable and trusted person breeder in Thailand or maybe in your country, because importing it's expensive. I'm gonna tell you. You know, if you're in the United States, I believe there's some people, there's a lot of people that you can trust it to buy some of your fishes. You can contact them. They call it a shipper. So shipper to shipper, and then there's another shipper. So you can, for in the Philippines, we I don't know in the United States what's going on, but here in the Philippines, if we order red Texas to Thailand, we just talk, message the reliable person in Thailand, and then you message, you bill it, how much is it, and then talk about it, what you need, what kind of genes and what kind of style that you need, and then you pay the guy from Thailand via MoneyGram or Western Union, and then you need to know who's the shipper. Now, he will bring the fish on the shipper in Thailand, and the shipper in Thailand, he will send the shipper in your country. So you need to find out who is the shipper in your country. In my case, every time I go straight to the shipper. Before past days, we go to the shipper and pick up our own fishes. But now, when the fishes arrives on their facilities, like temporary facilities, they will send you message and daters, or they call it like Uber tax. People that I mentioned and individual person I mentioned and group, this is people that you can trust, and it's a reliable people for the Red Texas if you want to go and order in Thailand. Now, one thing I want to mention is if you start to breed the Red Texas, in my own opinion, in my experience, why do you need to do Green Texas and Blood Parrot? You don't need to go over there, because Red Texas, it's, if you're gonna start it, it's way back far. Way back far for what? If you're gonna start it in F1 like Thai GT and Blood Parrot or King Kong Parrot, you're gonna have a F1. The culling is so much, maybe only 60% or 50%, or maybe even less than 50%. You're gonna get a little bit quality fishes like Class B. Maybe Class A is like 2% only. F2 is the same thing. F3, maybe 75%. So in my opinion, you can go in F4. F4 and F4 as the individual person in Thailand who is the breeder in the farm. What kind of generation? What generation is this? F3, F4. They are very honest. They have integrity with their job or what they do. They will tell you the truth because I believe they believe in karma. Because if they don't tell you the truth and the guy found out that they're lying, it's a big negative impact for their business. So they always tell the truth. If they tell you F3, it's F3. If you ask for F1, it's F1. So why are you gonna start doing Red Texas and start it to the blood parrot? Now in the farm you can do that, but if you don't have any big farm, you don't need to do that. You can go straight to the F4. So every time you can ask what generation are you buying, what kind of Red Texas you buy, F1, F2, F3, F4, so you can find out. Because in F3 and F4, there's more high fertility of the male. Now in the female, there's always egg layers. You just need to wait until they lay eggs. But for the male, you need to test them until they grow, become old, like maybe 8 months, or maybe more than a year, and then you need to try everybody, all these male of your Red Texas that you breed, you need to try every single male to prove that they are fertile and proven breeder. Now, when you have this Red Texas, it's not, when you buy Red Texas, you just feed them and then you think it's gonna have their own traits that you're looking for, like full red, the body shape, the face shape, and the pearl. It will comes. Always rely on the genes that you're buying. Your purpose to have a Red Texas. Now Red Texas nowadays, they're getting bigger and bigger community, especially here in the Philippines. We having a group over here which is the Red Texas and Hybrid Organization of the Philippines. This is our group. It's Red Texas here in the Philippines, and we conduct also some show with trophies. So we continue our passion and hobby when it comes with the hybrid, which is the Red Texas. Now, when you gonna go for a competition, and then when you're gonna do and get some prize or whatever your boy or your entry in the show, you need to be sure that it highly potential. It's for show, because there's a lot of things or project that you can do. There's sometimes when you buy Red Texas, what is your purpose to buy Red Texas? Is your purpose is to breed the Red Texas? Don't expect that you will buy from the Facebook in the breeder. You will buy, this is male, they will tell you it's a male, but don't expect that someday that male will be a father or fertile for your blood parrot or even the female of Red Texas. Because if you buy just a male and then if you don't ask, is this fertile male from the breeder? This topic I already mentioned in my previous blog before. If you don't ask them that the male Red Texas that you bought from the breeder, that it's fertile, they will not tell you. And it's only for show. Now for show, and then it's for show or for pet. It's just for show and for pet. Now if you want to go over beyond as a pet, as a, how you call it, to entry for a show, you need to groom them. Now, how to groom a red Texas? Every time we've been mentioning, to grooming a red Texas is only very simple sometimes. Grooming a red Texas, you need to have a black sands or black kibbles, black background, and of course the water. The water should be good. You need to have a good filtration. Good filtration of the red Texas. So even you don't water change for maybe weeks, the water is still good. But you can water change for 40% when you water change. Because old water sometimes, some of the fishes, they like old water, but it's clean because of the filtration. Now, as I mentioned for you in the beginning of the cruise, what is the name of the red Texas, or how the Thailander, they call it red Texas in Thailand, is actually Texas Dang. Texas Dang, this is how they call the red Texas in Thailand. And if you want to know who is where is the red Texas came from, it's actually in Thailand. Red Texas is like 20 years before, or more than 20 years before. Some people in old generation, they already do red Texas before, but nobody knows who invented the genes of the red Texas until scattered around and then passed house the formula, and then became famous in the internet and Facebook and YouTube. And when the internet started, this is the boom of the red Texas. It's like in the flower horn also. Now, if you're liking this video, my friend, and if you just pass by, please just click the subscribe me, and click the notification bell, so I will continue and propagate my content to give you more nice content for you. Don't forget to click the notification bell, and please share it so everybody can see. Maybe some of your friends knows about red Texas and they like to learn more, or maybe some of the content I shared in my videos have what they're looking for, so they can like my channel also. Thank you so much, and this is your friend Lucio in Facebook, and God bless. Thank you.